In today's video, I will show you how to activate your Discover card on mobile. So let's get started. All you need to do is to open your Discover app on your mobile device. So click on Discover app. Once you have opened your app, you need to click on login. If you haven't registered yet, click on sign up button. So click on register account. Then click on register credit card account. After that, enter your details here such as your card number, expiry date, your SSN number and your date of birth. Once you enter all your details, click on continue. After clicking continue, you will see the next step, creating your PIN. Once you have successfully created your PIN, your card will be successfully activated.